Hello students, today we will learn how to download, install and run nodejs. So to download it, we can directly move to Chrome's search engine, and we can type out here download nodejs Windows for Windows. As you will uh, click on, as you will press enter there, you will get download nodejs link, and you can click on this. And once you will click, you can see here download nodejs, and here the various versions are listed here. You can go with the current version, and it is for Windows. So once you get it, just scroll down, and here you can see, you can click on the Windows installer. Click on this and you can see it is getting downloaded here. It is getting downloaded, and once it has done, then it will be showing here folder. Click go on that folder and just double click on that one. Just double click on that one, and here once you will double click, you will get the node.js screen. And in that one, keep on pressing next here, next, and then after this I accept, then next, then here the directory is c colon program files node.js, and then press next, and then it will again, you can press here next. And now here it is asking for something like automatically install the necessary tools. Note that this will also install chocolatey. See, we don't require all these things, so just go, leave it as it is and press next, and then press install. As you will press install, then it will be asking you for something. Do you want to allow the app to make changes to your device? Yes, of course. When we are getting it installed here, surely we will press yes here. And now just wait, within it will be just doing it. And it has done it. Now after this you can finish. And once you have finished it, now you can check out its version. So what you can do, you can go to your command prompt cmd, and in the command prompt you can type out a node dash v, means version. So it will display you, it's a version 23.7.0. and now you can move to its directory as well. So go to cd backslash program files. If you want to see, it's up to you, program files, and then in the program file there is node server. So you can click on that one, you can node.js, and in the node.js you can display all the files whichever you want to see here. Now you can see one is core pack is there, and the important is you have got a node application which will be running your programs. And as we know, node.js is a Java script, and at the back end, in this system, whatsoever program of node.js you want to run, you need this application. And there is one more application, that is npm. This npm is a package, actually package, node package manager. This is used to install all the files that you require for running other applications, like it is absolutely installing your modules, like MySQL module. If you want to install for MySQL, you can do that. And if you want to install your Express or other Next.js, everything can be done with the help of npm. So npm is a node package manager, is very very useful whenever you want to install various modules, that you can use npm. Now after this, once you have installed this, just you it is showing everything. And after this, what you can do, you can move to any you know any of the editor, and you can open your editor, say notepad editor you can open, or either you can open VS Code. Open VS Code and open here, you open node file, go here, go to open folder, and you can open here nodejs folder. And in the nodejs select it. And once you have selected, now here you can type out your various programs of node. Like in this case, if I type a simple program, sum of two numbers, say sum of two numbers, I will, like this, it's a sum of two numbers program. And when I have done this, I sum.js, you will have, please, in the VS Code you can open your sum.js file. And after having opened this, you can call it somewhere in the main. So go to your main program here and call this sum function there. And once you have, for this you will have to require it. You are requiring this, I mean, you are requiring importing this sum which you made here. And now this sum is being being called by this variable. We have created an object of the sum, and then we are printing on console sum. And then with we have got a function in the of this, we have got all the it will be displaying all the functions whichever available are there in this file. So my sum is there, and my sum is requiring two parameters that have been passed for finding sum. And then after this, there is one another function, that is display, which is being used to display the message. So like this you can make your program, and after having made, you can run your main. So here what you can do, you can use node, and then you can use main.js. Once you will do, you will get the sum 5. And here today is Saturday. So like this you can run your program. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.